Good afternoon and welcome to Wilson's Van Centre, where today we're going to have a very quick walk around and so give you some of the features of the new or the latest addition to the Citroen Berlingo range. As you can see, there's been a slight facelift and body change on the vehicle. The 1.6 engine, 75 horsepower has been kept, but they have increased the carrying weight to 650 kilos. Some of the features still remain, such as the rear parking sensors and the split barn doors. Easy access, obviously room for a Euro pallet and more in this one. In the Enterprise model, you do benefit from a side load door and a few goodies in the cabin, which we'll take a look at closely in a moment. The Berlingo maintains a load through facility. So those long lengths can be put through all the way into the cabin here. They've redesigned a lot of the cabin area, which now features the Citroen Connect. Currently have a little bit of Christmas music on there. We are during that festive time. There is aircon still. And we've got the cruise control and speed limiter, along with the alarm. And it will also show you the SOS button as well, and the Citroen customer service option, which if you give us a call, we can explain further. So I'm glad you joined us today to have a look at the Citroen Berlingo. If you're stuck for any bright ideas for Christmas time, I'd suggest giving us a call, get in early, book one of these in. Great value for money. Here we have them in starting at 12,500 plus the VAT. Just a steal. Give us a call.